Are you a biotech researcher who wants to open a new lab or expand an existing one? Typically, with finite resources and the clock ticking, you need to get up and running as efficiently as possible. With so many factors to consider, you need an experienced partner who can help you every step of the way. Thermo Fisher Scientific can be that partner through the Jumpstart program. With 3 simple steps, we offer you the support you need to jumpstart your new lab or lab expansion. Let's get started. Step 1. We ask you for some basic information about your laboratory needs. This helps us understand your goals and carefully align you with the right members of the biotech team. Step 2. After we've received your information, we work directly with you to review your request and do a full needs evaluation. Then, we discuss the various ways we can help you reach your goals. This can include a biotech product and workflow consultation, personalized lab design support using innovative 3D software, on-site and virtual product demonstrations, regulatory guidance and support, and exclusive product discounts and flexible finance options. Once we've discussed how to jumpstart your lab, it's time to get to work. Step 3. Our team of experts guides you through the optimum workflow requirements for your needs and within the timescale you set out. We help ensure you're ready to start on day 1 with options such as hands-on classroom training, Smart Start orientation, or on-demand e-learning. In addition, you'll receive ongoing remote support with our technical application specialist team that helps you avoid unplanned downtime with proactive preventative maintenance. And just like that, your new lab is ready to go. The Jumpstart program has you covered from start to finish, so you can focus on jumpstarting the results you've always envisioned. Visit thermofisher.com/jumpstart to get started today.